All right, this is our rental car for the week here in Iceland. It's been through a lot. Snowstorms, lava dust storms, all kinds of things, and you could tell it's been through the ringer here. Truthfully, I don't even enjoy driving, but driving around in Iceland has been very easy. Now, as we go to return this, there are a few things I've learned over the course of the week that you should keep in mind if you go to rent a car here for an adventure.
We'll start at the airport. Keep in mind there are only a couple car companies with service right at the airport. For the rest, you'll have to wait for a shuttle to an off-site rental location, and that delayed our road trip by more than an hour, so something to keep in mind there. Getting gas was the biggest challenge. Make sure to bring a debit card with a PIN to Iceland. Not all gas stations take regular credit cards, and at one I actually had to buy gift cards inside the station with a credit card to use on the pumps outside. You will not be able to pronounce any of the town's names, but getting around Iceland was very easy. The ring road, which circles Iceland, is 2 lanes with very light traffic, and it's all paved very nicely. But keep a watch out, you'll have to share the road with farm equipment, farm animals, and other kinds of wildlife in some parts of Iceland. And also, the road narrows to 1 lane on many bridges, but we found drivers to be really patient and courteous. There were no close calls. Be prepared for snow squalls and snow drifts on mountain passes well beyond the winter months, and check road.is for constant up-to-date road conditions any time of year. The speed limit in Iceland tops out at 90 kilometers an hour. It's pretty slow. It's about 60 miles per hour. Now, despite a lot of warnings before we went about police radar traps and steep speeding fines, we only saw 1 person pulled over on the entire trip. It was in Reykjavik. And speaking of Reykjavik, it is Iceland's biggest city, but there are only 200,000 people living here, so traffic is always pretty light. By far, the best parts of driving in Iceland are the surprise finds and landscapes which aren't listed or named on the map, but are stunning and unique to Iceland.